What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got a very special, very cool truck today. It's Monday morning here in Georgia. We just got past all the winter weather and it's raining, but it's warm. It's decently warm. It's probably 50 degrees outside, something like that, so it's not too bad. Today's truck looks like it's gonna be a, hold on, let me check the year. You know how I like to guess the year wrong. This one is a 2025 Chevy Silverado 1500. Looks like this one is the Z71 6.2 liter. This must be an RST. I think they quit putting the RST badges on the trucks, but painted bumpers. And the cool thing about this truck is it is all black. It has it's all black paint, all black bumpers, black wheels. Every trim piece is black. I love it. We're gonna be doing a 6-inch lift and some 35, so stay tuned. All right, so here's our truck. If I had to go to the dealership and buy a 1500 right now, it would probably be an all black one like this. I really like the way this looks. He's doing the factory wheel on here, which is gonna tie together perfectly. If I had this truck, I'd probably put some big polish or chrome wheels on it. I just love the way there's no chrome accent really on the truck except the bow tie. And I love the way chrome wheels really pull it away from an all black truck like this. But anyway, this truck's gonna look phenomenal. We're doing the 6-inch BDS kit with Fox. I believe it's the Fox snap ring kit, which we sold a couple weeks ago and I did a video on. We have a new alliance with BDS and Fox and Zone lift kits, so you're gonna see more of that on the channel. It's never been there's a problem with their stuff. It's just their dealer program is very specific and picky about where dealers are located. So I had to do a little buy-in with them and stuff like that. But now we're full on BDS shop. So we do BDS, Cognito, McGoy's, FTS, Ready Lift, Rough Country. There's a bunch of different brands we sell now because a lot of them are good. There's a couple other companies that I won't name that I don't really care too much for, that we've tried to sell their stuff in the past and had issues, and you know how that goes. If I can't sell you something perfect, I don't want to sell you anything at all, because this is a friendship as much as it's a business relationship with you guys calling in, because you trusted me, you didn't trust the shop. So there's that. Truck looks amazing. Has these LED strips on the headlights that I like so much. I'm sure in this video clip you'll see a little bit of it flashing because the camera does that to it. Going to the inside of the truck real fast. This is a 2025, so it does have very minimal dirt inside the truck. It's amazing, very clean. Truck has a little under 1,000 miles on it. Black leather. This is exactly the interior that I would want to buy if I bought this truck. It has the big screen in it and stuff like that. Very nice. So anyways, stay tuned for the process. This truck's going to be amazing. I think we're going to get this one done today, I hope. I know the customer would rather just get on the road tonight rather than buying hotel rooms, so we're going to try, but we will see what happens. And thanks for watching, guys. The Silverados have definitely gotten nicer on the inside. I've never owned one that didn't have the column shift. This one has the little center console shift. I think that's pretty cool. guys, we got our Chevy Silverado 1500 build complete, and I am very excited to go over the details with you guys and show you what we did to it. And I wanted to say thank you to my customer again. He drove from Jacksonville, Florida last night. It's a 4.5 hour ride, 5 hours, something like that, from Jacksonville up to here. And right now it's like 1:30 in the afternoon. He got here at 8 o'clock this morning. His lift kit, tires, and wheels got installed in about 5 hours. So I wish we could do that on every single build. Sometimes it just happens where you get lucky and there's nothing on the lift ahead of this one or whatever. So, you know, he's getting to go back home, and he said he'd be home by dark. So take a look at the truck and let me know what you guys think in the comments. All right, here's our truck, guys. It's a 2025 Chevy Silverado 1500. It does appear to be an RST package, which is Rally Sport Truck. It means that all the trim is painted the same color as the truck, which I absolutely love that. The bumpers down there are painted black. Your mirrors are black. Your door handles are black. Everything. So with this, it's kind of complex because it does have a 6.2 liter V8 engine, which is the best one you can get, in my opinion, for this truck. It is a Z71, which means it has the off-road package. They used to say RST on the front fender there, but this one doesn't say it, so I'm assuming it's an RST. But if you know better than I do, let me know in the comments. All right, going over what we did to it. We did the 6-inch BDS kit. This is the Fox snap ring strut, and that's what is so special about this kit, is it has that adjusting ring right here where you can go up or down, whether you put weight on the front of the truck or not. Comes complete with an upper control arm for it. If you look down here, we have our cross member with our skid plate. Now the skid plate's mainly for looks. The cross member is the part in the back that you see there. It's a little bit more important. But the BDS one looks phenomenal. The axle angles are great. You get those Fox struts in the front, just makes the kit look so nice. On the tires and wheels, we did the factory Chevy wheel that came on this truck. We did some 1.5-inch bolt-on wheel spacers back there, and we did some 35, 12, 50, 20 Nitto Ridge Grapplers. Now, I've gone back and forth about tire sizes and which brands I like the best and things like that in the past. Anything that comes out of the Toyo or Nitto plant is the best quality you can get. So, my opinion, pick your tire and run it. This tire is a hybrid tire, which means it's aggressive like an off-road mud tire, something like that. But it also has the characteristics of a street tire, as it rides really good. It lasts a long time. These aren't very noisy tires. If you want these for your everyday street commute to work, these are fine. You're not going to have any issues out of them. You don't have to go off-road just to have these tires. Don't worry. This truck is amazing. It's something you could drive every single day to work and back, school and back, wherever you're going. Take the kids out in it. It's not too tall to go in parking decks and things like that. It's not too wide to go through drive-thrus. This is a really good daily setup. If you're going to drive a stock truck, you might as well drive one of these because they drive the same. If you have any questions about this truck, or you want to leave me a comment about it or whatever, just reach out to me on YouTube or email, or you can call me at the shop. I'm at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. The number here is 678-994-9180. And ask for Jake when you call. And I appreciate you guys watching. All right, so for you guys sitting at home watching this video, a lot of people ask me for the prices of these jobs in the comments, so I figured I would go ahead. I've been doing this for a couple of videos. I figured I'd throw the price in for you, so here you go. This is what this job would cost with tax, parts, labor, and everything.